Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to find buried stash in Cayo Perico. First, understand that these hidden stashes offer valuable extra loot during your heist. They appear randomly on the island, so you'll need to be observant. Your main tool for finding them will be the metal detector, which helps pinpoint their exact locations. This adds a fun layer to your intel gathering. To begin, you first need to acquire the metal detector, which spawns randomly along the Los Santos shoreline. Once you have it, head to Cayo Perico during a gather intel mission. Equip the detector, and as you move around, listen for its beeping sound. The closer you get to a buried stash, the faster and louder the beeping will become, guiding you directly to the treasure. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful for your Cayo Perico adventures, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. And on another note, just like you wouldn't want cheap gear failing you on a heist, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough. They even come with a lifetime warranty. You can find the link for these amazing socks and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. When your metal detector's beeping reaches its peak, indicating you're right on top of a stash, a shovel icon will appear on your screen. Simply interact with this icon to start digging. You'll see a brief animation as your character unearths the hidden loot. Each buried stash usually rewards you with a good amount of cash, typically between $15,000 and $25,000, plus some RP.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.